Hello, this is WRT. Today I'm reviewing the Vertigo Spinometer. You can see it right there, right here. Let's take a tour of the box. So this is what you get inside. You get 4 connectors, 6 side barriers, you can see that right there. Collector's card, 6 beat-up marbles, Vertigo spin, and then you see this picture. You probably know who he is. If you don't, he's Thunder Drastian. Okay. Today, my mom's gonna help me. Okay. So she's using Lightning Scorpio, and I'm using Lightning Device.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's get to the unboxing. It comes out very easy, you can see that. So you get instructions on how to build your set. It's actually pretty obvious how you build it. So we're not going to need it. You can just look at the box. Okay, so first, you saw in the box, you put this over here. You open this package. Oh, I'm going to go get my scissors. Okay. So, in this little packaging, you get 4 of these connectors, 3 green beat-up marbles. Let me find the next one. Okay. 3 of these catapult thingies. 3 red beat-up marbles. 3 red catapults. Okay. And my collector's card is right here with the sticker sheet. So I think the sticker sheet will go well on the things on this set. So I say you apply them. Okay. So let's get to building. Well, I forgot one thing to show you. 6 side barriers. 6 side barriers. Okay. Let's get them out. Okay. So let's start to build. So you get 2 side barriers. Get 1 connector. Make sure that your side barriers have this half circle part on the outside. I say you put this part on the outside of the set, not on the inside. See this? It has that. So just like you can maybe do it different, but I suggest that. They're actually pretty hard to put on. Okay. Take. So you get another one. Same process.
Is it the same? Is it facing the right way? That one? It's opposite. This one's different.
Oh. Okay. So first bar. Now let's go to the next one. And also the same process. I kind of think this is the hardest part of the set. Okay, so after you put the stickers on this, kind of obvious.
Does this go in between the two?
Yes. I thought that, you see, it's not very, I don't know, is that sweet? Yeah, whatever. Okay, so a collector's card of Dracian. You're probably going to get the same code for Dracian in every set. Just so you know. Mommy, you didn't put that well. Put it in the middle. Okay. So let's get the stickers applied. You might ask a parent to help you. Want to ask a parent to help you.
Can I throw these bags away?
Okay.
Sure. The stickers? Is that okay? So this is like flame, right?
Yeah.
So what inspired you to get this Biederman?
It's fun. They get the green, okay?
They get the green, this thing?
Yeah, and the arrow has to face up. And try to not put it, okay? There's a little bump. Face up like this one, okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So you can see that it works. Just by a little push, it will catapult off. These barriers are very good for storage, well, very good when you're playing to put your beat marble. You can kind of see that it's made for it. No, Mommy, you put this on the wrong way. Okay?
Do I put this in the middle of the circle here?
Yeah. Let me fix that.
And then where do these go?
These two on this. Do you finish with the stickers? Okay, so let's get to the action.
Remember, the sound is bad when it's far away.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so let's get to the action. There you go. Now get your spot.
Okay.
So you might want to already have 2 beater marbles. And you also might want to spin this before playing.
Wait, is it centered?
Okay, so I prepared with my 2 beater marbles on each side. So let's start. So you kind of see that when you're having no marbles, it's hard.
Ah, I got one!
Like, we're not professionals, we're not very good right now. You might also want to block the back. Mommy, you're supposed to only get the reds.
Oh,
So I have 2.
okay.
Can I see? I'm gonna go do that. So I'm gonna go get something to put behind. Like, you can use a box.
Did we use a marble over here?
No. Okay. And you might want to put that. Okay. And you kind of see that, for example, I'm green, and I kind of want to get my marbles. And my mom just let me win. I won.
That's what I do. Now listen, now that we've played and you've won, it's time for dinner.
Okay.
Okay, until the next time.
Goodbye. You can look at our channel for more Beaterman reviews.